what is drone technology? And we'll be sharing just something on some images on the screen. What is drone technology and what can it do?
A drone is like a bird, but controlled. So number one is it can be used for security purposes. It can be used to chase away birds on your farm. It can be used to spray. Also spraying.
Pole. Let's start slowly.
Slowly.
Yes. What is it first? What is drone technology?
Drone technology is something is used. Is camera. Is using is camera based, right? And is hand controlled.
Yes.
Using a remote controlled hand. Remote controlled.
Okay.
Yes. And it flies. Layman's language. Can this drone? No. It's like a small plane. Yes, that can be used to monitor farm.
Okay.
Yes.
So when you talk about drone technology, then the advantages and what are the costs related to this? What are some of these costs that we can look at first?
Because like number one, you have to get a permit to fly a drone. Yes, that kind of part of it. Then purchasing it mostly.
Okay, and you've mentioned about data collection and all that, things like that. Huh?
Yeah.
What does it? What are the advantages?
The advantages of this is if you have for data, you can move it around.
Okay.
Section fields.
Okay.
If you want to point from point A, what do you want to do with it? Because it's all about whatever you want to feed in it.
Yes.
And whatever you want to get. You have to get a point A. This drone will fly above this field. Yes. What kind of data do you want to collect from that field?
All right.
If it's is it packed with the pests?
Yes.
What kind of pests are there? Those are the kind of records you want to deal with.
Okay.
The watering, also it can monitor.
Okay.
You can see which parts are not getting enough water and things like that.
Okay.
Yes. And which parts are ready. Because like sometimes you have 400 acres of farm, you cannot take a walk by yourself and monitor these things. So
when it comes to
help you that.
When it comes to data and precision agriculture, is it something that drone technology can help?
Yeah, it's viable. It's a viable investment.
Now, let me ask. We have very many types of drones, and I think this is a discussion that we can actually plan to have. There's one that we'd like to share on the screen right now, and just see what it can do. And if we were to ask that, Kevin, in terms of smallholder farmers, how does that help? How does that drone technology help?
For the smallholder farmers?
Yes.
Okay, what do you mean by smallholder farmer?
5 acres and below.
5 acres and below. 5 acres and below, you can use, if you want to cut the springtime,
yes,
you can
to
involve
reduce.
drones there.